Okay, well, they're feeling lucky to be alive. A lot of people are demanding to know how that bus ended up on the Southern State Parkway where it did not belong. And as Matt King shows us, the driver was not using the proper GPS.
He was late. I mean, we were all jet lagged.
It was a car beeping at us, and I knew from there that we're not supposed to be here.
Someone said duck.
And then I just see like the roof just start to completely cave in, and I smell and I start tasting like fiberglass in my mouth.
A day after a charter bus carrying 38 high school students and 5 adult chaperones struck an overpass on the Southern State Parkway, its passengers, their families, legislators, first responders, the driver, and the community both expressed their gratefulness the accident resulted in only 2 serious injuries and wondered how this bus carrying all these people ended up on a road where it wasn't allowed.
After the fact, I was thinking, wow, I can't believe I'm actually, alive to say this.
Why, in God's name, were the systems that were available to avoid this accident not in place on this bus?
The driver of the bus held a Pennsylvania commercial vehicle license and relied on a non-commercial GPS device to tell him where to go. A non-commercial GPS device not programmed to avoid routes with overpasses too low for his vehicle to pass beneath.
There are road-level attributes that are part of the mapping on commercial navigation systems.
Forward Thinking Systems business development manager Ian Bohan's employer created just such a device, allowing drivers to configure their GPSs with the height, length, width, and weight of their vehicles and adjust its suggested route accordingly.
For this particular incident, the navigation system would have known that the bus was too tall to make it under the bridge.
Bohan said most commercial fleets use commercial GPS devices. Now, many want to know why one bus on Long Island Sunday night did not.
If they were standing on the bus at any particular time, if the incident occurred and someone became an airborne projectile, that could have had a very different outcome than what we saw last night.
According to the New York State Department of Transportation, every entrance ramp on the Southern State Parkway displays a commercial vehicle warning sign. We've yet to receive a response from Journey Bus Lines. Liz?
Mac, thank you.